Hi, I'm Mrs. Rodino. I'm the librarian at Somerset Intermediate School. We just had two great shows with Magic Bob. The students were very, very enthralled. The teachers' feedback was terrific. Other people are asking about hiring him. And we just had a really nice luncheon with some students who wrote an essay who wanted to have lunch and meet the magician. And altogether, it was a very, very exciting morning, and the messages that he gave during the show were just unbeatable, just wonderful, what we wanted the children to hear, and they were really paying attention to them.